A tornado
There's
siren.
a tornado.
You set up a tornado siren somewhere villages. Too many zombies. Oh god, they're getting in the house. Poor villagers.
There's a tornado. And we're catching it on video. Oh my god.
Trying to set up a siren here.
Why are you talking? Oh, jeez.
Set up one right
A
here.
Minecraft tornado. This is very fun. This is
Okay.
fun to watch.
Let's get in a house.
Did you turn a tornado on? I mean the siren on.
I put one up. Okay, now one came. Oh god. The roof's not safe, it's made of wood.
Oh no. The sirens.
Oh god, this isn't gonna
It
end
stopped. The sirens stopped.
well. This isn't gonna end well.
This is very sad.
Where is it?
Yes.
Where is it?
What? Oh no.
Oh my god, it's right behind me.
Oh no, we're gonna die. Oh jeez, we're gonna die. Oh god. Oh no, I hate that noise. Oh no, it stopped again. Okay, now it's going back up.
Oh
Hear
god.
that deadly
There's
noise.
another one.
Oh my god, how many tornadoes are there?
Oh god. Oh,
Jeez, what is going on?
creepers.
Oh my god, go out there. We need to see them all. We need to see all the tornadoes. Oh, it's going away?
Alright, it's coming there.
Oh, jeez.
Fuck it up.
That's dangerous. But what if there was a real tornado, though? Like, no, there is a tornado on that game. But those alarms, the sirens, are not helping out people because they keep stopping. Everyone could die because the sirens aren't helping. Why is there... No, why... No. What are you doing? I don't know. That's not safe. All of us weapons could die, even though that's all Minecraft. Yeah. We're all dead.